All right, guys, we got a 2015 Hyundai Genesis Coupe. Let me show you guys what we've done on it. Got converters there and there, secondaries there and there. Then he brought his own ISR system. It wasn't fitting right. He put it on, but it wasn't fitting right. So he brought it to us and we adjusted it, got it all cleaned up for him. Put him some washers right there. So you guys always can add washers there and there to, you know, drop it down a little bit so it clears, because it was hitting on the center support. So the ISR system comes right after the secondary cats, right there, wise into a single. Then he's got a resonator right there. Then 3-inch system all the way back with a Y pipe out the back on each side, there and there. Here's the ISR performance. We'll see if I can get you guys a link in the description for it, okay, for the system, but it's there and there. But yeah, ISR, we had to fix that hanger right there because it was leaning down a lot. It was a hanger defect on this side, so it was leaning really bad. So we fixed it and lined it back up with this side, so it looks a lot cleaner, a lot nicer. As you guys can see, check it out. Now they match, they're nice and tucked up. Everything's fine and dandy. Don't you guys agree it looks better like this? I think so. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna let you guys hear it. And like always, make sure you like, comment, and hit that subscribe, guys. And if you don't know, we are located in good old Nashville, Tennessee, Music City, USA. Right, 3.8 liter, guys. There it is right there. Here we go. You guys ready to hear it? I am. No tune. Sounds good. Your sound decibels? 115. I like the tip design. You see how they did one bigger than the other, guys? One is 3-inch, 3.5, 4. The other one's like 3-inch. It's crazy. I guess it gives it a different tone when they did that. They did some testing or something. I just like it. It looks cool. See how one is bigger than the other? It's so deep. I like it. Very nice. ISR performance. I'll let you guys hear it on the inside. Guys, we got us our first Insta360 camera. So we're gonna get you guys a new angle on it. He's gonna record it there, driving off. He's gonna drive down the road and come back for us. Here we go. This should be fun. Exhaust statics first. You guys want to hear what it sounds like when it drives off? That's perfect. Stay tuned, guys. We're gonna see. Look at that drive off. And we just got this coated, resealed, as you guys can see. This was our first official drive off. So there you go. We'll be back in a second. Enjoy, guys. first drive off. More to come. So much traffic.